Welcome, my dear students, to our lesson today. Our lesson today, Song Part 2. Let's get ready by your student's book by page 7 and workbook page 5. Our objectives for today are, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to use the present simple, use the adverb of frequency. Let's read. Number 1, I am Sama. I live in Qatar. He likes pizza. They go to the park every weekend. Okay, let's underline the verb. What is the verb in the first sentence? Am. Very good. Sentence number 2, live. Very good. 3, likes. They go. The verb is go. That's good. Do you know which tense is used here? Of course, the present simple. The present simple tense. How to form sentence in the present simple? You have to use the base form with I, you, we, and they. For example, I am a teacher. You look great. We go to school by car. The second case here is when the subject he, she, and it. We add s to the verb or es or ies. He, she, it. When the subject is he, she, or it, we use the verb plus s or es or ies, like Sally looks great. Let's move to the second step here, positive and the negative. I like cheese. This is positive sentence. We like cheese. You don't like cheese. They don't like cheese. I like and we like is positive. Negative, you don't like cheese. They don't like cheese. So we use not in the negative case. He likes cheese, or she likes cheese, or it likes cheese. In the negative form, we use doesn't with he and she and it. She doesn't like cheese. She doesn't like cheese. It doesn't like cheese. Question and short answers. Do I like cheese? Do you like cheese? Do we like cheese or do they like cheese? So with I, you, we, and they, we use do. And with he and she and it, we use does. The answer, it will be yes, I, we, they, you do. Or no, I, we, you, they don't. Yes, he, she, it does. No, he, she, it doesn't. So with I, we, you, they, we use do. He, she, it, we use does. Present simple usage. We use the present simple to talk about three things: facts, habits, repeated action. For example, I live in Qatar. Ali brushes his teeth before he goes to bed. My sister often goes sailing at the weekend. things that are always true. We use the present simple to talk about things that are always true. The sky is blue. The earth goes round the sun. I am a student. Tigers are big cats. Remember, verbs ending in ch, s, sh, o, x, we add es to the verb. For example, watch, watches, guess, guesses, finish, finished, go, goes, fix, fixes. Verbs ending in a consonant, B, like B, C, D, F, or G, change the Y into IES. Study, studies. Carry, carries. Fly, flies. Present simple game. The alarm clock, time to get up. Ring, rings, rings. Which one is correct? The alarm clock means it, so we add it to the verb, so the correct answer is rings. Great job. He, the dog before leaving home. Walk, walks, walks. Which one is correct? Of course. Great. He walks. Just add S only. He to the park. Runs, runs, run. Good job. He runs. The Huygens. He feeds, feeds. Good job. He feeds. Great. He back home. Roads, ride, writes. Because the subject here is he, we add s to the verb. He writes. Great job. He the flowers. He waters. Then he his lunch. He prepares. His wife always TV in the morning. Watching, watches, or watch. The verb watch ends with ch. So we add es to the verb, so the correct answer is watches. Let's listen to the logbox.
Look, he usually checks his email in the morning. He doesn't usually check his email in the morning. Does he usually check his email in the morning? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. How often do you play volleyball? I play volleyball once, twice, 3 times a week. Look.
Now, let's move to the workbook, page 5, activity 2. Put the words in the order to make sentence and questions. Number 1, do have breakfast always morning, you, the, and. Do you always have breakfast in the morning? Okay, you can pause the video and read the rest of the activity. Now let's check your answers. Number 2, she doesn't brush her teeth at night. How often do you text your friends? They never tidy their rooms. Do you comb your hair before you go to bed? Shayla is always late for school. Talk about your daily routine. Listen.
Do you always have breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I do.
How often do you surf the net?
Once a day.
Do you always have breakfast?
Thank you, my dear students. That is the end of our lesson today.